it's murder, murder, murder. It's murder, murder, murder. Yeah, it's murder, murder, murder. Somebody tell them it's murder. Murder was the case, and they blame homicide. You can do it, you can't blame me for this. Could you please loosen up the handcuffs on my wrist? You can call me what you wanna, man, but I ain't a snitch. No cooperation is exactly what you will get. Till I talk to my lawyer, you can know why. You obviously been watching too much CSI. I'm not a crash dummy, so don't even try to talk your dirty trash to me. No BFI. You are not guilty of anything, then why did you run? Shoot the police, because I saw you cocking your and the chamber wasn't empty, it was obviously one. If you think I'm believing that when you're obviously dumb, I know that you heard the sirens, you dived into the vehicle, you was driving and riding. Instead you shouldn't be whining, but abiding by the law, no, it's obvious that you're lying. So much drama in the industry, my police are listening. Be careful of your history, looks like another unsolved mystery. It's murder, 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 it's murder, murder, murder. Yeah, it's murder, murder, murder. Somebody tell them it's murder. Murder was the case, and they blame stop lying before I hear your best confess. I can smell a BS on the scent of your breath. Saw the while I was suspecting your death. Saw that you was riding dirty when I looked at the rest. Who is this guy Buster? Who is this guy Snoop? Who is this other friend who's wearing the sky blue? Look at this pig here who's standing beside you. Tell me his name now. I heard he was Pyro. Confiscated the CDs of one of your home for evidence ever since we heard some of your songs. What about the pimp guy? He was on one of your songs. I could have sworn that he said he had a pocket full of. Am I wrong? Hell yeah, I don't know who that is. I don't know no pimp shit. All I know is I'm rich and I'm a born like James. But I be out here quick, man. You ain't getting out of here. You was thinking shit. And they called me confiscated the diary that you had and all your blueprints. On the death row, people was found your two prints. You saw me your index. The judge will love it. So much drama in the industry. Hip-hop police are listening. Be careful of your history. Looks like another unsolved mystery. It's murder. Somebody murder. It's murder. Somebody murder. It's murder. Somebody murder. Somebody tell them it's murder. Murder was the case, and they blame the man. See, it's true as the evidence pours in. The witness to the crime was at 3 in the morning. Gave us a description, so we picked up your boy in. You'll get a lighter sentence if you put the crime on him.
A big celebrity, a case belong for you a pirate. Why you got that iPad show for? Trying to put people in a hearse, what I heard from. Where were you the night of April 21st, son? Oh, I think you got your facts wrong. That's on you, millionaire, Rob Shut, couple cats on Melvin. We're gonna have to tell you to. In the lineup, don't speak until we tell you to. Is the person who Jim your lock, son? The star kinda look like him, I'm not sure. Fail into now, cause the sailing's another. Leave I see a unmarked tail in the rubber. Hit the bodega, not no more game. This chick used to be nice, acting all strange. Like she was gonna get it, pathetic. A sailing court, now they all apologetic.
So much drama in the industry. Hip-hop police are listening. Be careful of your history. Looks like another unsolved mystery. It's murder, murder, murder. It's murder, murder, murder. Yeah, it's murder, murder, murder. Somebody tell them it's murder. Murder was the case, and they blame me.